There were two sisters in County Clare. One was dark and the other was fair. Oh, the dreadful wind and rain. They both had love of the miller's son. Oh, the wind and rain. Golden ring he gave the fairest one. Oh, the dreadful wind and rain. One pushed the other in the river to drown. Oh, the wind and rain watched her as she floated down. Oh, the dreadful wind and rain. She floated till she came to the miller's pond. Oh, the wind and rain knit on the water like a golden swan. Oh, the dreadful wind and rain. The miller fished her out with his drifting hook. Oh, the wind and the rain. He brought this maiden from the brook, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. He laid her to rest on the riverside. Oh, the wind and rain. Her bones were washed by the rolling tide. Oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Ooh. Down the road came a fiddler fair. Oh, the wind and rain found her bones just a-lying there. Oh, the dreadful wind and rain. From her long golden hair he made a fiddle bow. Oh, the wind and rain made fiddle pegs of her long finger bones, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Made a little fiddle of her breastbone. Oh, the wind and rain, who sung about a heart of stone. Oh, the dreadful